everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel guys. My name is Ritu and you guys are watching Ritu's Rainbow World. So as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about makeup. No. I've already uploaded that video of Meesho's makeup haul that I got, and by the way, this look is created with the help of that makeup products that I got from Meesho, so that is already done. So today, as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about the home decor or some kitchen essentials from Meesho. Now Meesho, if you don't know, it's an online wholesale shop, which is an online. You can get you can do reselling, and you can also purchase products. You can also start your own business on that, but I think I am just a buyer from Meesho, so I have actually purchased few products, and every now and then anything that I purchase that I need, I got it from Meesho. So there are a lot of products, including one sari that is a gift, and I think I asked him and my husband, and he got it from Meesho. So there are a lot of products. Just keep on watching the haul till the end if you really wanted to know how are the products of Meesho, and can you go ahead and purchase them, and how this Meesho is an wholesale online app. So that is something you will be knowing, because having said the quality and the price point, Meesho is just wow product. I mean, wow, platform to purchase the products at a very amazing rate. So without further ado, let us quickly begin with the video. And before we get into the video, if you really like this video, then do not forget to hit the bell icon and also subscribe to my channel. Comment down below and also follow me on Instagram. My handle will be Ritu's Rainbow World, which is also the name of my YouTube channel. So you can definitely go ahead and follow me there, because in case you do not want to miss up any update, then please go ahead and follow me on Instagram, so you will get a lot of other updates. And also I keep on posting reels and a lot of other updates, my life updates, and a lot of other stuff on the Instagram. You can definitely go ahead and check that out. So without further ado, quickly begin with the haul. So first thing first, it's not only the kitchen essentials from Meesho, but it is also home decor. When it comes to home decor, so I purchased table mats for my dining table. So this is what the print looks like. This is more like a mandala art, if you can remember. I did a lot of sketching. If you follow me on Instagram, I do mandala arts. So that's the reason I loved this kind of. I got 5 of them. These are the table mats, which is super good, very good quality. I think I have used it for over a month. These products I did not order in one go. I have purchased this over and over time, and I have used many of them. I will let you know. Like this dining mat I have already used, which I just now showed you. I think that was probably for 140 rupees, which is a set of 5 table this big mats, which was again super affordable. I have used this for about a month, and I think nothing went wrong, no color change, nothing. It is still the same. So yes, that's the thing. Next I got something for my kitchen. That is this is an oil container where I store the oil. So this is something which I have used for over 2 months, and now I'm showing you guys. Many of the oil containers I have used, and they have spilled the oil. So if you are a teenage watching this video, then definitely you can gift your mom this kind of stuff, because I think these are very helpful. So you can see the oil over here. This is overall like about a liter or so. No, this is 500 ml ka oil dispenser, where you can store the oil and then use it. Now it comes with a mop which you can open like this, and then it comes in a good quality. It comes in a like very ऐसा नहीं है कि तेल डालोगे and सब गिर जाएगा. So it comes in a very measurable quantity in that, for that matter. And yeah, I really love this. So I have already used it. I'm just gonna wash. So yeah, that was from my kitchen. So obviously it will not leak a lot of oil in its body, and your kitchen will not be messed up the way it is actually in everybody's home. That is the second thing. Third, I think something I got for my fridge. So fridge mat and fridge handle is something I got. Now fridge is something that I think every day we use it. So this is something I got like 2 days back. The print is somewhere like this. I'll let you know what all things came in this. So I'll just gonna quickly show you. I got 2 handles. So fridge का handle रहता है. You can use this there. I think it is explainable. It is pretty much self-explanatory. You have to fold it, and you have this thing. So this is very handy because obviously when I'm in kitchen, my hands may not be like aata goond rahe and then you come to the fridge and do some stuff. So definitely iska do aaya tha. One I've used it in my fridge and this is for my microwave. So yeah, in both I use the same thing. That is there. So this came, the 2 of this came, and then this is the fridge cover that came. We have got a lot of print. I got this print because it reminds me of those days when my mom used to use it. It's an old print, so it is a kind of nostalgic, so I really like it. It feels like ghar par hi hai. So yeah, this print reminds me. It's a very old print, but you can also get a new print of yours. But I actually loved it because it feels nostalgic, and yeah, it reminds me something of my old days. So that's the reason I got this print. You have got blue color, you have got a lot of quirky colors which you can definitely go ahead and use it. I already had like the golden one, which is something which I'm already using. That was also from Meesho, but I did not include it in this haul because I got it a long back by the way. So that is the next product. This was like for 240 rupees because the tablecloth and then the 2 handles. So this was again affordable. Next thing I got is again some fridge ka mat. Now fridge ka mat means when you open the fridge you have got the slabs, right? In the slabs what happens is every time you cannot go ahead and clean your fridge every now and then if you are a working lady. So I am working, so I also have my office ka work and all of that. So every weekend to nahi hota hai fridge clean karna. So if you really wanted to get rid of that, then please purchase or invest probably on the fridge का जो shelves हैं, that mats. So this is something that I got. It looks like a table mat. I think you can use in both of them, but again I think these are a little light in color. So this is what it is. Very much, this is actually thin compared to the table mat. They are pretty much thin. I think I got 5 of them. Yes, no, 4 of them actually. 4 of them. So they are really good. You can just place it here like in the fridge, and then you can put all the khana and everything. The next thing that I got is again a set of the product, which is a kind of steel kadai. Now if you are not subscribed to my cooking channel, which is Ritu's Kitchen, then please go ahead and subscribe there, because I have stressed it enough that please stop using fry pans, because those are something which is not good for your longer run. If you are cooking regularly at home, it's not good, because definitely it's a Teflon, it's a coating which mixes up with your food and is not that pretty much healthy. So please go ahead and use lot of steel ka kadhai or tawa if you can. So I got this 3 set of kadhai. I have used it so much. See, I've used it for a month, so it became black, to be honest. They are very heavy duty, guys. To be honest, they are such a good kind of kadhais. This is something I wanted to show because I had a cooking channel, and I thought to make you guys aware that if you or your mom are using this fry pans which has a coating, that black kind of coating, that is something which is not good for your health in a longer run. So please get rid of those, because these 3 set was just for rupees 640, which is unbelievable. These are steel kind of things, so definitely you have to be very much careful while cleaning it. The cleaning of the steel kadhai is a little hassle, but when you look on your health perspective, it's very important that you guys please insist your mom, and if you are a person who is watching, if you are a person who cooks, then please slowly and gradually get rid of your this stick pans which have that Teflon ka coating. It is not good for a longer run. Steel is something which is very good. I know it takes a little bit of more oil, but if you put your flame a little low and oil, if you spread it properly with the brush, it will not consume more of oil. To be very honest, I tried it and that's the reason I'm telling you. That is the next product. Then I'll quickly move to the next product, which is a beautiful tripod kind of thing. So I do vlogs, so in my channel I have vlogs, so I use vlogs like this, and then you can vlog it. So this is a beautiful what this we call this is a mini tripod, portable, from Digitech. So this is also something that I got from Meesho, by the way. This is what the outer covering looks like, and this is how you can hold on your mobile. So I always do vlogging with this. If you see me vlogging, this is what I use. I always take it and it clicks in very good. It comes with this kind of thing which also make it little secure for your mobile to hold on. That is something which is very good. And yeah, it is, the weight is 141 grams. It is foldable, because here if you can see, it can be made real short. So if I travel outside the vlogging part also, I do with this. So actual size is this, but when you kind of stretch it, it will become a little big. So this will give you a hold and you can definitely be vlogging and all. So I do the vlog with this. This was very affordable, guys. I think the original price is $4.99, got it for 300 change. Bingo for this. So this is the next purchase. Then many people of you guys say that your home decor is so good, so I thought few to show you guys. So this is something that I got a long back from Meesho. This is completely ceramic, which is very kind of give you wooden finish, and these are also the flowers. So I think the vase was pretty much for 500 400 ka range, and flowers were like, they're so good. I've like ho gaya ek saal isko. So I think I don't remember the flowers were somewhere like 200 ka change. So this is again something I kept in top of my fridge. Next is something that I got recently, is this kind of thing. If you can see, I wanted to put some flowers and then let it hang. So this is a very old thing, like I remember of my old days. My mom used to use this, so this is a very old. I somewhere feel the old things are not really old if you know how to reuse it and how to make the best out of all the products that you might have seen at your home. So definitely after marriage you feel a little nostalgic. It is a very old product, but you can use this as a spoon stand. You can use this for the flower to, yeah, there are a lot of flowers. Let me just show you. You can put it like this and keep it in the corner. There are a lot of hanging flowers which I ordered. I will definitely be showing a home decor specific haul, which I will be using this product. This was for like just 100, very affordable, guys. Now I have set of this emoji cushions. This is washable. I have purchased this like about 2 months before. I have washed this in my washing machine. The color is still intact. I've got a bunch of them. I think they came in 5 smileys. I'm just going to show you. Okay, so this is what it is. So many smileys, guys. So all the smileys are so good. I have actually so many smileys. Okay, this is what it is. It comes in 5 smileys. So that is something that I actually got very affordable, guys. I think the entire 5 set was like 260 to 72 something of that range, which was again super affordable, and I really love the quality because I've already washed them and the quality is still intact. And the last product is a sequence sari, which was a gift. So I do not know the price and all of that, but definitely I wanted to show you. So for that you have to come with me. So I'm just going to show how the sari looks like. This is a beautiful sequence sari that I got gift for my birthday, because I don't know my birthday. I don't know you guys remember or not, but my birthday is very far by now. But I got this beautiful sari from my husband. This is also from Meesho, guys. And yeah, it's a very beautiful sari, by the way. I really loved the, okay, I'm just gonna sit and film. So I really love this particular sari. It comes in such a good packaging. You do not need a sari cover to actually store it. So it comes in a very good this kind of packaging. And let me show you how the sari is, by the way. I'm also seeing for the first time today only it came. Wow, it's a beautiful sequence sari. It's a complete mauvish kind of sari. A beautiful sequence sari. I do not like bright saris, to be very honest. I do not wear bright saris. So this is a beautiful mauvish sequence sari. All the sequences are well intact. I do not know the price. It's a gift. But again, he said this is from Meesho. So yes, I really love this sari as well. It is so smooth. Yeah, it is very smooth, guys. I don't think it will be so reasonable, because the quality and everything of the sari is so commendable that I don't believe this is affordable sari. I don't know how much he paid for it, but this is a very beautiful sari. So my birthday gift is ready, only birthday to be coming. So that's pretty much, guys, that's pretty much all the Meesho products that I got from Meesho. I loved shopping from Meesho because all products are very reasonable. They are not cheap, but they're very reasonable, and I've used them thoroughly. Like the